Okay, now it's recording. What's his name? Abraham? What's his What's his name? What's his name?
Not Abraham.
What is it?
Abram.
Oh. My bad. Oh gosh. Hey, look at these things. Okay, where am I? There we go.
I don't know how to do this.
It's not. Okay. Do it sexy.
I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. Okay. I decorated my wall with posters.
What did she do? She decorated her wall with posters. Oh darn, let's look at that. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at up. Oh, look at a puppy. Oh, that's not a. So. Ew, he is too. Not him. He's Marina Cosgrove from iCarly. There's David. Ooh, let's get it in on this. Okay. You don't even know. Oh my gosh, my phone. Gosh, it's a little vibrating. Let's watch Caitlin wrap her Abraham present. Oh, I mean Abram or Andrew or something like that. Oh, look at that precision. So precise.